Hey guys, so I am back to bring you another Luxe SB scent unboxing. If you guys are curious to see what I received in my April Luxe SB subscription box, then just keep watching. So if you guys are not familiar, Luxe SB, formerly Luxury Scent Box, is a subscription box for fragrances. The way it works is you pay a fee and they will basically send you a month's worth of a fragrance to try. That way you don't have to commit to a full-size tube, you're not spending full-size prices to try out a scent, and you can customize what you get each month. So you can either take the survey and let the experts send you what they think you would like, or you can pick and choose what you receive each month and kind of build out your calendar, which I like. You can pick from men's scents, women's scents, and there's also a luxury box, which is one step up. So it's the higher priced fragrances. But honestly, I've been able to find so many fragrances that I've loved just within the regular category that I don't personally think it's necessary to pay the extra premium for the higher price tag scents, but that's just me, to each their own. So they do send me a handful to try every month because I am sharing them with you. So I just kind of want to share with you some of the fragrances that are available. So you do typically get one, but they do send me several to share with you each month. So let's check out what I got in my April box bag. Okay, so your scent will come in a box like this. It says Luxe SB. Inside will be a little canister like this, and you can kind of see them in the back here with my fragrances. I have a handful of these. I also keep some of my favorite fragrances up here on my makeup vanity, so they're always close by. So this is what it looks like. You twist to dispense, and you can see the little sprayer right here. You also twist to remove or replace or switch out. Also, this is how you check the name of the fragrance. So this one in the gold canister is Mancera Oud with blue notes. Now, I didn't write down the notes ahead of time because I want to see if I can pick them out. So I'm going to put this Mancera scent back in, and I'm going to spray it and see if we can pick out some of the notes together. This one smells more like a man's fragrance. It's a little bit zestier, like the soap, so to speak. So it's a clean fragrance. And honestly, I can't name any of the scents in here. It just smells clean and manly. It's the best way I can explain it. So I will put the notes right here. When I'm editing, I will look it up and put them down here so that you know what the notes are, because obviously my nose is not able to detect it. But I do like that. That's a scent that I would wear. I do wear some men's scents what is it? Is it this one? Prada Luna Rossa Sport. This is one of the men's scents that I really like because it has spearmint in it. So I do wear some men's fragrances from time to time. The next one we have in this month's box to share with you comes in a purple canister, and this one is Comptoir Sud Pacifique Vanille Extreme. Now, I did get the vanilla banana one last month and I love it. It's like a vanilla bourbon one, and this one's supposed to be the vanilla version. I smell vanilla. Maybe a little bit of brown sugar in there. Smells like fresh baked blondies, honestly. Okay, so I like that too. I like the sweet scents. Now moving on to the third one that they sent me to share with you guys. This one is a red canister. And this one is Kiko Materi Lucombe. Now, I don't speak French. So they did send me a little card on this particular fragrance. It looks like, it says inspired in California, made in Switzerland. And they have a citrus one, oriental, a fresh fruity, and a fresh fruity. And this one is the oriental scent right here. So we'll see what this one smells like. If it's oriental, does that mean floral? Because I'm not really a big fan of floral. I'm just going to spray higher up on my arm here. Yeah, I'm not a fan of that one. This one smells like deodorant to me. It smells like baby powder deodorant. So this is not one that I will be personally wearing. It's a little too baby powder deodorant for me, but I do like the other two, the more clean, fresh one and the vanilla one. So those two will be in my fragrance rotation. I do like those. And the last thing that comes in the bag is a little velvet travel bag, so that when you're traveling, when you're using it, it's up. When you're not using it, you twist it closed. And then you can pop it in this little travel bag, pull the drawstrings, and it is good to go, safe to travel, will not dispense on its own, will not open up on its own. So I think it's a great way to travel, and you don't have to bring a bulky large glass bottle with you traveling. And they're probably also airplane friendly because they're smaller in size, so you don't have to deal with all of that TSA stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing kind of the snapshots of what's available at Luxury Scent Box Luxe SB. As always, the link below with a discount code is in the description box. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I received this month. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.